Hello, Judge Orchestra. So, fifth graders, we are taking a look at book 2 still, and I wanted to actually take a look at page 9 because the rhythms on this page look like they can give us a challenge. So, I'm going to actually open up Essential Elements Interactive so that way we can listen to the recording while we work through this rhythm. So, I'm taking a look right at rhythm rap number 30. And the way we're doing this is we're learning eighth notes and eighth rests. So if you look at the top, it reminds you that an eighth note is half a beat of sound. Remember, half of a quarter note. And an eighth rest is a half a beat of silence. So that's half of a quarter rest. So we're going to go through rhythm rap number 30 and take a look at what this one's going to sound like. So just before we start, I'm going to give you a hint already. The way this rhythm is structured is actually going to sound exactly the same. So if I look at measure 1 and measure 2, they're going to sound the same. So if I go ahead and clap those for you with the counting, 1, 2, ready, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the second measure is going to sound like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So the only difference there is the way I'm counting and not what I'm doing with my hands. So my claps were sounding exactly the same. However, I'm adding a subdivision into my counting by saying and instead of just 1, 2, 3, 4, my quarter notes. Now I'm adding 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and those ands are actually the eighth note rests in the measure. So we're going to go ahead and clap through the whole thing, and I'm going to go ahead and try playing the rhythm rap on Essential Elements Interactive, so hopefully it comes through for you here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. So remember, there's a whole quarter rest at the end there. So go ahead and practice through your rhythm rap, clapping it. And then when you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and pick out a string on your instrument and you can go ahead and play through it. So I'm going to go ahead and play through it on D. 1, 2, ready, and. So that's what it would sound like playing through that. All right, so I'm taking a look next at number 31, eighth notes on the beat. So that's going to be using the exact same rhythm for number 30, and now we're going to add some notes on into that. So I'm going to go ahead and add on my notes into 31, and I'm going to go ahead and play that through for you. 1, 2, 31. So my quarter notes are a little bit longer than my eighth notes, and that's the main difference between the sound on these, is that the eighth notes are going to sound a little bit shorter because you need to leave space for that rest, that half a beat of silence there. All right. Playing through it again, I'm going to try to do the counting and playing through it. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's the counting for that one. So the counting is a little bit tricky for these notes, but I think you guys can do it. So go ahead and try number 30 and 31 and go ahead and work with either a metronome or work with the Essential Elements Interactive to really get through the counting on these ones. So that's a great way to really work through page 9 here. And then if you have time, you can go ahead and take a look at Jesse James, which is our next playing quiz. So there's a rhythm rap before that. So you have rhythm rap 33. I want you guys to try and count that one out and then go ahead and play through it. So if I go ahead and count it out with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and play the rhythm rap on Essential Elements Interactive. Let me open that one up.